This is the Subaru Forester. You hear the engine inside. You hear that knocking on the motor at idle. This is connected to the OBD2. Check engine light came on today after one test drive. Unfortunately, the car has got modifications, so when I rev it, you can hear the exhaust. You hear the engine tapping or knocking. And now we have knock sensor code as well. To the OBD2 of the car. So knock sensor is working because it's indicating there's a knock in the motor. But you hear it. It's hard to hear it outside because of all the tunes and stuff, but